We got the Amoupup. This is a glow in the dark. We got the soccer ball right here. They come in the basketball, the soccer ball, and the football. We got the soccer ball right there. The battery's already installed. If you ever have to replace the battery, you can replace them here. But it should last you a pretty long time because this thing only lights up when it's activated. It turns off after 1 minute. Boom. Oh yeah. All right, so we have the soccer ball. We got, it looks like a bag for it. So you get the bag and the hand pump. And in here, you get, these are backup LEDs, sweet. And we get the pump right here, boom. So we're gonna use this to pump up our soccer ball. All right, let's see how long it takes to pump up the soccer ball. So here's a tool that you use when you need to replace the battery. You're gonna pull this tab right here, boom, pull the tab, and that should activate the light. So once you pull the tab, you should see the light being activated. So there's a light, you see right there? The light is activated. And of course, once you don't move this thing for a minute, it will turn off. So there we go. Go ahead and inflate this. And you can see right there, that's where you inflate. Moist needle and inflate. So here is our needle, and we gotta moist it first. Our needle is wet. You see right there? There's some water droplets right there. Now you can insert the needle into the ball. There we go, nice and easy, and just inflate. So you have the pump right here, and you got the Amoupup right there. All right, let's go. Here we go, inflate the baby. So you have the base, and you just pump, 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 pump. Let's go, pump it up, pump it up. Here we go. Let's see how long it takes to pump this up. Here we go, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47. Let me see how big it is. 47 is good. 47. Oh yeah, yeah. Let's pump up a little bit more. 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52. That's good right there. Oh, that's nice and firm. That's solid right there. We did 52 pumps. We can do a little bit more. See right there? You see, there's room for a little bit more. We can go a little bit more. Let's see. 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Is it harder? Yeah, look at that. Now it's a little bit harder. Oh, that's solid. Maybe you can do 70. It's up to you on how hard you want the ball, right? So 71, 60, 62, 63, 64, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. All right, there we go. There we go. That's solid. And then you just pull this out, boom, and you're good. You got the ball all ready to rock and roll. That's it. Amp up. Let's turn off the light and check it out. Are you guys ready to turn off the light? Boom. So that is complete lights out right there. Oh, nice. See, the lights will turn out, and when you hit the ball, it will light up. Boom, boom, boom. Very cool, and it's solid too. It depends on how hard you want it, right? So there it is. There's the ball, all amped up, ready to rock and roll. Boom. This is perfect. Now I've seen people use this, and obviously it's waterproof, right? So you can use it in the pool. It's so cool. It lights up very evenly. I like it. It's so cool. Very nice, very nice. We'll let the light shut off now. And there you go. It has turned off. And to turn it back on, just hit it and it turns on. Very cool, right? It's motion activated, and that's how you turn it on. So, and we'll let it sit still. Right, well, let's try one more time, just make sure. 1 1000, 2 1000, 3 1000, 4 1000, 5 1000, 6 1000, 7 1000, 8 1000, 9 1000, 10 1000, 11 1000, 12 1000, 13 1000, 14 1000, 15 1000, 16 1000, 17 1000, 18 1000, 19 1000, 20 1000, 21 1000, 22 1000, 23 1000, 24 1000, 25 1000, 26 1000, 27 1000, 28 1000, 29 1000, 30 1000, 31 1000, 32 1000, 33 1000, 34 1000, 35 1000, 36 1000, 37 1000, 38 1000, 39 1000, 40 1000, 41 1000, 42. So about 40 seconds that time. So it takes about 40 seconds or so to turn off. Boom, turn back on, and you got your Amoupup ball. Oh yeah.